I work in a company. I work in a company. Don't compare me with him. Don't compare me with him. What are the results of the comparison? What are the results of the comparison? She is competing against you. She is competing against you. Who won the competition? Who won the competition? I am a competitive individual. I am a competitive individual. Who are your competitors? Who are your competitors? He always complains. He always complains. What's your complaint? What's your complaint? I'll complete my task on time. I'll complete my task on time. He is completely wrong. He is completely wrong. This is a complex problem. This is a complex problem. Algebra is a complicated subject. Algebra is a complicated subject. This car has different components. This car has different components. This book is composed of 10 chapters. This book is composed of 10 chapters. What is the chemical composition of water? What is the chemical composition of water? This tutorial is very comprehensive. This tutorial is very comprehensive. I work on my computer. I work on my computer. Please concentrate on learning English. Please concentrate on learning English. I'm working my full concentration. I'm working with my full concentration. What is the basic concept behind this theory? What is the basic concept behind this theory? I'm concerned about you. I'm concerned about you. I'm going to a concert. I am going to a concert. Now I'll conclude this lesson. Now I will conclude this lesson. What is the conclusion of your research? What is the conclusion of your research? This building is made of concrete. This building is made of concrete. How is the condition of the patient? How is the condition of the patient? I'm conducting an exam. I am conducting an exam. I have attended many international conferences. I have attended many international conferences. I don't have the confidence to talk to her. I don't have the confidence to talk to her. I'm confident that I will get the job. I am confident that I will get the job. Can you please confirm my ticket? Can you please confirm my ticket? There are many conflicts in Africa. There are many conflicts in Africa. He confronted his dad. He confronted his dad. She confronted the thief in the court. She confronted the thief in the court. You are creating a lot of confusion. You are creating a lot of confusion. Are you going to attend that congress? Are you going to attend that congress? That's a congressional order. That's a congressional order. I'll connect your laptop to the internet. I'll connect your laptop to the internet. I have a bad internet connection. I have a bad internet connection. Is he gaining consciousness? Is he gaining consciousness? The whole community has the consensus that there should be a gatekeeper. The whole community has the consensus that there should be a gatekeeper. Do you know the consequences of smoking? Do you know the consequences of smoking? His dad is conservative. His dad is conservative. You should consider his offer. You should consider his offer. There is a considerable Asian minority in this country. There is a considerable Asian minority in this country. Your application is under consideration. Your application is under consideration. This book consists of 5 chapters. This book consists of 5 chapters. You need to be consistent to pass the exam. You need to be consistent to pass the exam. Change is the only constant in life. Change is the only constant in life. My life is constantly changing. My life is constantly changing. This drink constitutes of lemon and cola. This drink constitutes of lemon and cola. It's against my constitutional right. It's against my constitutional right. They construct bridges. They construct bridges. What is the total cost of construction? What is the total cost of construction? I am an IT consultant. I am an IT consultant. You need to consume more protein. You need to consume more protein. We all are consumers. We all are consumers. What is your daily consumption of sugar? What is your daily consumption of sugar? I'll contact her. I'll contact her. This drink contains a lot of sugar. This drink contains a lot of sugar. My luggage will go on a container. My luggage will go on a container. They both were contemporaries. They both were contemporaries. I am content with my life. I am content with my life. I'll contest this decision. I'll contest this decision. What's the context of this movie? What's the context of this movie? Let's continue this lesson. Let's continue this lesson. To be continued. To be continued. He continued his journey. He continued his journey. Marriage is a contract. Marriage is a contract. Can you change the contrast? Can you change the contrast? He contributes to good causes. He contributes to good causes.